નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10. Today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is economic problem and challenges, poverty and unemployment. Now today we have to learn about the topic efforts to reduce the unemployment. What is the name of the topic here, children? Efforts to reduce the unemployment. It means बेरोजगारी घटाड़वाना उपाय. That is known as efforts to reduce the unemployment. Now first of all, first one we have to learn about by aiming the high goal. What they have given there? They have given about the by aiming the high goal. Now they have to say that problem of unemployment is the weakest link of our planning. What is the problem of the unemployment? Problem of the unemployment is one kind of the weakest link of our planning. Poverty and unemployment are two sides of the same coin. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that the poverty and unemployment is two sides of the same coin. Both are interrelated. It means both are interrelated, poverty and unemployment. Main reason for poverty is unemployment. Dear children, already we have learned about the poverty and we know that the main reason for the poverty is unemployment, and this challenges problem has mainly affected the educated youth. This problem affect the educated youth. As a result, they lose the attitude of the interest towards the study, negative effect on social as well as the mental condition we have to see, and that's why they become the disappointed as a psychologically. If they remain unemployment for the long time, they get involved in anti-social or immoral activity like drugs trafficking, illegal activity, robbery, recovery, ransom, etc. Increase in social and economic inequalities there. That's why the class of discrimination being falls in the living standard. When the price rise, showing the unemployment condition of the poor and unemployed become more narrowing and pathogenic. He turned towards narcotic drugs and other addiction. That's why we have to study about the plan of the government to remove the unemployment while studying about the poverty alleviation program. Now, other than those, many effective steps are to be taken by the government. Now, these are the steps taken by the government to efforts to reduce the unemployment. Now, first of all, they have given about by aiming the high goal. By aiming the high goal, the economic development of 10% per year, which is acceptable to all. It means how much economic development per year? Near about 10%, and this is the acceptable for all. Increasing capital investment as well as the opportunity of employment. New field should be open for fast and balanced economic development among the agriculture sector, small and household industry, cottage industry, and that's why we can say that the government has was increased the employment, and he give starting the economic help, education, open training center to the different scheme. Second, they have to given that government should lay the stress on the development of using the labor. It means government should lay the stress on the development unit using the labor intensive method. It means which kind of the method is to be followed by the government? They have to say that they have to follow the labor intensive method for the production of the consumer good, small and cottage industry, gramodai, handloom and handicraft skill. And for it, encourage the policies should be implemented in the scheme. Third one, they have to given. Now, our third point is more number of people may be employed in rural area by less investment by developing the new method. What they have given here in the third point? They have given that more number of people may be employed in the rural area by less investment by developing the new method at the rural level, in which more than 1 crore may be taken from the field in order to remove the unemployment during the time when the farmer are not engaged in the agriculture. It means we have to generate the employment in the rural area. and we also concentrate in the agriculture sector to bring the new land under the cultivation, arranging the water, electricity for the every field, small and big irrigation scheme, dam, check dam, ponds, canals, tube well, activity of construction of road, activity related to agriculture, poultry, fishery, cattle rearing, dairy industry, program of forestation. For this planning should be the employment oriented and employment opportunity should be increased into the village area. And also, if you have to see that, encourage the plantation in agriculture sector, organic farming, dry farming, multi-cropping, growing the vegetables as well as the fruit. Importance should be given to improve the quality as well as the education into the villages area. Now, fourth one, dear children, they have given about sustain of the human development. In order to sustain the human development in rural area, first of all, government was also concentrate on health sector, education sector, pure drinking water, nutrition food, electricity, road, banking, insurance, internet, improve the communication and entertainment facility. First of all, government has tried to focus and sustain the human development into the rural area, and that's why we can say that there was also increase the water harvesting activity, constructing the permanent public property, development of the local industry, encourage them and adopt the employment oriented program should be undertaken. Qualitative life of the rural people as well as the result oriented improvement had been the main objective. Now, fifth one, they have to given that decrease the educated unemployment. What they have given that decrease the educated unemployment. In the fifth one, in order to decrease the educated unemployment and unemployment among with the youth, skills should be developed. It means what is the necessary, dear children? The necessary thing that we have to develop the skill among the youth people, and that's why employment should be provided as per their qualification of the youth. Such type of business oriented or technical education policy should be adopted, which produce the skilled artisan. Curriculum of the school colleges should be such that it satisfies the requirement of the local industry. It means which kind of the curriculum is required in the for the student. It requires that they have to satisfy the requirement of the local industry. Such a type of effort should be made to provide the education and the training to the youth people. Special skill may be developed in them and quality improve along with the production. Employment increase in the income and the improvement in the living standard of the people. Now, sixth one, they have given that implement the ambition of the program like Make in India. Which kind of the program they ambition implement the ambition program like Make in India. According to that, the Labour Ministry of Indian government and state government have implemented the ambition program, and this program is Make in India, Skill India, Digital India. These all are the name of the program started by the government. Which program? Make in India, Skill India, Digital India, to enhance the knowledge, understanding, enthusiasm of the work capacity of the youth, along with industrial development for the educational and training program have been started to develop the skill. Now, technical college, university have been set up at the national level. They should provide the education facility with vocational curriculum as well as the modern technology. Efforts are being made to fulfill the requirement of the employment through the near curriculum, the school as well as the college. At the present, we can say that we are proud of our institution of the India, like IIT is there, IIM there, IIM Indian Institute of Technology, IIM Indian Institute of Management. We established the most of the state of our country. Now, seventh one, they will given that open the new area of the employment. Which the seventh one they will given that dear children, open a new area of the employment. Government has opened the new area of the employment as per the plan of the manpower. Load of the employment opportunity is there in computer technology, information technology, pharmaceutical, business management, packing and processing, outsourcing, marketing, catering, event management, office management, hotel management, share stock marketing. These all are the new opportunity for the employment of the youth. So, new curriculum has been set up in university, fulfill the local requirement of the people as well as the business. According to the curriculum of the education, training and teaching have been changed so that it may fulfill the requirement job in the future. What they have to given them, dear children? They have to given them. You have to prepare that kind of the curriculum that they have to fulfill the requirement of the job in the future. At the end of the acquiring the education, short-term diploma or certificate course has been started to fulfill the need of the manpower, like course in spinning, weaving, training, plumbing, radio, TV, freight, mobile, AC repairing, aerospace, robot making. These all are the revolution in the field of automobile, electronics, computer science, genetic science, robot making. These all are the new courses have been started in order to produce the skilled artisans, engineers as well as the technicians. It tried to provide the loan at the less rate of interest to the entrepreneur under the Startup India for promoting the new business. If any youth can promote the new business, then government provide the loan at the less rate of interest under the Startup India. Mutual coordination has become possible because of the cooperation between local industry as well as the training institution, so that as per the local required supply of the labor could be made and generating the employment in place of the white collar job. Self-employment should be fostered with the government of economic help. Now next one. 8.1 they will be given the generating of new employment opportunity. With they will be given the dear children 8.1 they will be given the generating of new employment opportunity. It is necessary that new business industries should be set up for the industrial growth and generating of new employment opportunity. And that's why investment is essential along with the development of skill, cooperation, increase the entrepreneurship among the youth, as well as to order to promote the opportunity of the self-employment. Government has started the many plan to providing the financial help for the low rate of interest for small investment for the various purpose of purchase the implement small margin raw material, office furniture initially. Along with the help of selling the products goods, efforts have been started to provide the technical and commercial knowledge, managerial skill help. With the efforts of men and economical help of the financial institution, economical easy loan facility, local business and welfare organization has worked. Also, they are working for the women, provide the self-employment, setting up the household industry. Ninth one, dear children, they will be given about the employment exchange. With the ninth one, they will be given about the employment exchange. According to the employment exchange, is the center of the world. It is the one kind of the center of the world where a chain between unemployed and owner who were in search of such youth who were looking for the employment. It means the employment exchange is one kind of the program where the search of such youth who were looking for the employment, labor, worker or educated skilled or unskilled labor. This organization provided authentic information regarding the registration of educated unemployment, this place and the type of worker, and give the guidance in choosing one own career. This center provides the sufficient information through the magazine like Rozgar Karkidi. Which magazine? Rozgar Karkidi. It provides the free service field through the Model Career Center as well as the helpline number. So same way, dear children, they have to given the information that in Gujarat, near about 8.30 lakh unemployed had to register their name. Now, next topic is, dear children, World Labor Market. Which one? World Labor Market. Now, what is the meaning of the World Labor Market? World Labor Market is when changes of labor is there among the nations of the world. What is the World Labor Market? When the changes of labor among the nation of the world, that is known as a world labor market. When the labor migrate from one country to another country for the employment, business, training or higher education, it is called as the movement of the labor at the international level. Work out of the brain, power, education, knowledge, high technical knowledge, skill development in search of more income, more facility, better job is brain drain and migration at the international level. Because of increasing social status, recently country-wise mobility of labor become popular, noteworthy measures. And that's why, as a result of migration to other country or due to the permanent settlement in intelligent and talented people who have spent a lot of money on face the great flow personality having their talent, intelligent, technical knowledge, scientific attitude. And that's why, as a result, we can say that according to the globalization as well as the liberalization, a new situation has started arising in our economy. In the present time, demand for the people having the knowledge and skill in information technology, communication technology, biotechnology, computer, medical has increased. Many countries are appointing such people who have special qualification and skill as a trained expert labor and expert. They adopt the attractive tactic and practice with the high function. Industrial firms send their employees into the foreign country and obtain the required qualification as well as the knowledge and the skills so that they can survive in the competition. This is the part of the one kind of the international migration. Like country receive the foreign exchange as a part of income due to the migration of the people to the foreign countries for the job. Because of the flow of foreign money in our country, in this way we can say that the problem of foreign exchange is solved to the certain extent. So dear children, today we have learned the efforts to reduce the unemployment point as well as the world labor market. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us